Power BI, right? It's embedded into there. Currently on the Role Center page, you only have one Power BI window pane, right? There is now the ability to add multiple Power BI charts onto a Role Center.
Nice.
However,
Uh-oh.
none of the out-of-the-box Role Centers currently have more than one Power BI chart displayed. So instead, if you go into the online help, you'll see that it'll say what you need to do is you can create your own Role Center, and there's a template or a sample of how you do it. Okay, so it is.
I'm a fan of that, I guess,
right?
But
yeah, baby steps.
exactly, it's a stepping stone for sure.
Yeah. So I do love the fact that they appreciate that users do probably want to see more than one Power BI chart on their Role Center.
Yeah.
Right. So
manually having to switch
this is a way that you can accomplish that. Now you can in that one window today, if you have Power BI chart, you can change the chart that you're looking at.
Right.
But you can only look at one at a time today. So this changes that.